I'm pleased to present to you the START Network Strategy 2024 to 2026. Its headline, Change Means Action, based on our future vision of a locally led, proactive humanitarian system that is accountable to people affected by or at risk of crises. You'll notice it's a 3-year strategy, and that's by design, although some would say that's too short. But what we're trying to do is to respond to the constant changes that we see, not only in our system, but in the world around us. And having a 3-year strategy will allow us to be adaptable to all of those changes as they come up. So the strategy's focus is delivering 3 transformative shifts. 1, shifting power increasingly to the front lines and to local and national organizations. 2, shifting resources to local organizations and increasingly in anticipation of crises. And 3, shifting practice to be more adaptable, more risk-willing, more attuned to community priorities and to community decisions. And our strategy focuses on 4 key areas of strength. We are a networker. We are collaborative of partners and members of peer exchange and peer learning, built of civil society organizations who rally around a common purpose of systems change. The network is the backbone of everything that we do. We are a funder. We enable our members to access rapid, early, and risk-informed financing based on collective decision-making and local leadership. We focus on small to medium-sized and underfunded crises, and our decision-making model relies on collective action and collaboration. We distribute funding earlier than most humanitarian responses, working toward a humanitarian system that protects people by crises and supports them before a crisis happens. We are an innovator. We work with our members to try and test new ideas that have the potential for change. We look to members to work through the operational details with us and try and test them and refine them along the way. And finally, we're an influencer. We recognize that wholesale systems change will not be achieved by START Network alone. So we work with our members, but also with donors, governments, media organizations, academics, and others to share our learning and our insights. And it is by blending these 4 strengths that we hope that we can drive the changes that we want to see. In terms of how we grow, the next 3 years are about managed scale. Testing and trying and demonstrating that our vision is efficient, effective, feasible, but also sustainable, and done in a way where our members can take some of our ideas to scale. And we will use our 5 keys of systems change: purpose, practice, power, resources, and relationships to measure our progress along the way. Across all areas of our work, we will operate on the basis of local leadership, decolonized practice, and proactive funding, and in line with our values. We put people first. We are brave. We operate collectively. We are ethical, we are open, we are inclusive. So there you have it. START Network Strategy 2024 to 2026, a package that includes a collaborative network, proactive funding, innovation, and influence into a package of change for a new era of humanitarian action. We know from experience that this kind of program is going to come with all sorts of tensions and trade-offs that are going to require that we change our mindsets and really change our behavior. But we also know from experience that it is by working together as a membership, as a collaborative, that we will help each other navigate these changes together and bring about this new era of humanitarian action that we all seek. So, change means action, and action means change. Enjoy.